Hello, Gino Blafari here. I'm the CEO of Home Services of America and the chairman of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Today we're here in my mom and dad's home, which they bought in 1960 and really had done no improvements to it. I've been working with Regency General Contractors, which has been in business for over 30 years, and their Home Ready program, which is a single source, streamlined process to assist realtors in prepping homes for sale, transforming outdated homes to look current and in trend. Regency's Home Ready renovation program is designed to help increase property values and improve marketability, which can lead to a greater net profit for sellers. Regency has custom pre-selected materials, its own manufacturing plants for cabinets and countertops, and 2 showrooms available to see their renovation design options and capabilities. They streamline the entire process. Regency's design, estimating, and construction team met me at the property to review and discuss the renovation project. They presented their predetermined custom design collections and finishes and made recommendations on what would work best for my project. I was amazed. Within a few days, I received their proposal along with the renderings that showed what the finished product would look like. I signed the contract to move forward with the project preparation. A few days later, Regency's construction crew began the project and completed the work within a few weeks, right on schedule, which included custom cabinets and countertops, new backsplashes, painting, finishes, and flooring, appliances, and other cosmetic improvements. The entire process was streamlined from start to finish. Everything was completed on time with such professionalism. The Home Ready program is truly a one-stop shop. From design to manufacturing to installation, I only had to deal with one source instead of dealing with so many companies, subcontractors, and suppliers like homeowners and realtors normally do to get a house ready to sell. When it was all said and done, a week later, we set the record price for the neighborhood.